Kaya, hold ha. No. Bea. You saw the river?
Yeah.
You can stand up here if you want. Hold lang mo.
I will not.
Okay, go. Hold ka sa railing. Careful.
So windy.
Ooh, Bea. 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 Ready, ready. Our house is near na. Bea. Ready, let's talk to Yana.